Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video we will talk about loops. This is the second part of conditional statements. Okay, this is the if else and loops. We already covered if else in our last video. In this video we will talk about loops. Okay, what is loops? Okay, in programming we often need to perform the same tasks repeatedly. Writing the same code again and again is not efficient in this case. So there is where we need to use loops. What is loop? A loop is a control flow statement that allows a block of code to be executed repeatedly until the certain condition is met. You can take an example of printing numbers from 1 to 100, checking attendance of your students, repeating a task until the password is correct. Okay, kind of brute force attack. Displaying the items in a shopping carts. Uh, these are the basic examples of loops. Okay, without loops programming would be very slow and repetitive. Okay, and that should bore a programmer. There is three type of loops in programming. First one is for loops, second one is while loop, and third one is do while loop. But there is two types of loops in Python. Okay, first one is for loop, second one is while loop. There is no pre-built do while loop syntax in Python like C, C++, or other language like JavaScript. For loop when uh, in for loop used when the number of iteration is known. Okay, when you know the number of iteration, then we will use for loop. And while loop is used when the number of iteration is unknown. Additionally, we can use uh, loop control statements like break, continue, pass in every language, and in Python we can use range function. Okay, we will explain. We will practice each and everything. Uh, the let's talk about the for loop. Okay, for loop is used to uh, uh, for loop is used to iterate over the sequence such as list, tuple, string, range, array, this type of things. Okay. Uh, in other languages, you might not be familiar with list tuples, but in Python, you will be familiar with list, tuple, range in next coming videos. Okay. There is let me first give you an example how we can write a for loop. Okay, like we need to write for first variable name in sequence, sequence, then this syntax clone, and then statement. Okay, statement. Don't focus on my typing mistakes. Okay, try to understand the concept. Variable takes the value of each time in the sequence, and code block must be indented. Okay, I don't talk about the indentation, Python indentation, but I will make a dedicated video for the indentation because it's a very important thing. uh, Most of the Python developer face a massive issue in indentation. Basically, those who comes from the different background like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and this type of things. But don't worry, with the time you will be familiar with the Python indentation, and you will get how to use the Python indentation. Okay, first of all, we will talk about the range. Okay, in uh, first example, we'll use the range like for I. I is the variable in here. Okay, I in range is the function. and I will print out till 5. Okay, then print. If you guys get the answer, I will appreciate you. Okay, if you are a beginner and if you get the output, I will be appreciate you. I will give you two examples like 0 1 2 3 4. Other one is 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 5. This one is A and this one is B. Comment. You guys share your answer in the comment section. Okay, I will check each and everyone's comment. Okay, let's execute the code, then we will explain. The answer will be the option A and python 3 control flow part 2.py. You can see the output is 0 1 2 3 4. uh, let me explain why this is happening. In programming, we start our counting from 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. This is the 5 digits. So here the output is 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, the loop runs 5 times, so we get the 5 outputs because we set that in 5, and I takes each value one by one. Okay, let me talk about the range function. uh, uh, Range function is basically commonly used for loops. Okay, and we can uh, give only stop options here. Okay, we can give start and stop option here, and we can give start, stop, and step options also here. Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, this is the basic example, and then we will give you 1 comma 5. The 1 is the starter function and 5 is the stop function. In here it's the stop function. Okay, range stop example. Range start and stop example. Okay, and sorry, let me give it 10 so you guys will understand better. 10, and let's write another code for I in RNGANs 1 to 20 and step is 2. Okay, print I. Let copy this, paste this, and step. What is going on here? In here you can see it's run first 0 to 9 14 digit. Okay, this is the example of range stop function, and this is the example of range start and stop function. Here the loop will start from 1 and end in 10, and here is the function of range start, stop, and step. So this code will start from 1, stop in 20, and the gap will 2. Okay, 2 digits. Let's see the example. Sorry, let's see the output. Oh, sorry. Print. You will understand now easily. Here you can see in first program it will stop on 9. Okay, because it's the 10 its limit is 10 digit, so it start from 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, the second one, the loop starts from 1 and end in 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's in what would it say? It's last digit is removed cause the Python the core Python count the start from 0, but here we start from 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here it takes 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So here it takes 9 digits cause we start from 1. If we start from 0, then it will take 10 digits. Okay, and here you can see same logic from previous one, but one thing added, it takes it took two step I mean two step, it's jumping from two steps, like one, then two skip, three, three is printing, four skip, five, mean after one digit it's printing. Okay, or in programming methodologies you can say two step ahead. Okay, okay, we have times, we don't cross the limit of 30 minutes. Now we will see loops in list. Okay, first create a list for you. Its fruits is equal to sorry, apple, banana, mango, money is the grapefruit. Okay, and we will run a loop fruits for your taste fruits in, sorry, we can take the same fruits. Okay, and then we will print it fruit. You can see we take fruit as a variable, and in fruits list and here we are printing the fruit. Okay, let's clear it and run this. You can see here is apple, here is banana, here is mango, here is money fruits. Okay, here is the explanation is simple. Loop runs once for each list element, and fruit store the current element. Okay, I think you got it. And now the another example, like in for loop, name is equal to Python. Okay, and then for character we are using loop in string. Okay, in name print okay, we can run it now. Clear. You can see each word in Python are printed separately, Python. Okay, each character of the string is printed here. Now we will see important topic. Okay, important thing, don't be confused in here. We will learn these things perfectly after some videos, or when we will start NumPy pandas, we will learn this concept multiple times. Okay, so don't worry if you don't understand. For I in range 3, for j in range 2, print I comma j. If you don't understand this concept, especially this one, little advanced, so don't worry, I will explain it later. Okay, so you can see here we get something in matrices format, like, right? In first cases we printed 00, in second one 01, third one 10, fourth one 11, fifth one 20, fifth sixth one 21. Why this is happening? Okay, this is called nested loop. Okay, or this is called, you can say it, matrices logic, uh, nested loop, multiple loop, whatever you want to say, but normally it's known as nested for loops. Okay, and I give an example of 2D matrices. Here i I will write the explanation. outer loop Outer loop runs 3 times, inner loops uh, inner loop runs 2 times, each outer loop iteration, and the total iteration will, sorry, total iteration is 6. Okay, if you guys understand the matrices or 2D calculation, you guys will get it. Otherwise, don't worry, I just give you an um, alert that you guys need to learn these type of things in NumPy section, especially mandatory. Without 2D matrices, you can't do anything in NumPy or data analysis part or machine learning part. Okay, so this is a very important thing. Okay, now we will move into while loop. Okay, uh, while loop and I will print while loop. Okay, what is while loop? I will re-explain the definition. A while loop execute a block of code as long as the condition is true. Okay, previously we said that uh, while loop is used when the number of iteration is unknown. Okay, so we don't know how many iteration will happen in our logic, in our loop, so we will use while loop, mostly used in competitive programming. The syntax is while condition, then statement. This is the example of this is the syntax example of while loop. Okay, uh, let's count is equal to, sorry, is equal to 1, while count is then equal to 5, print count, and then count is plus equal to 1. Okay, let me explain the code first. Here condition is checked before the iteration. Okay, the count increase by 1 each time. Okay, here this is called pre-increment. Okay, no, this is the no, sorry, this is not the pre-increment or post increment. The count is increment increase by 1 each time, and the loop is stop when the condition becomes false. Okay, I hope you guys get the condition. Sorry. And you guys can see the counter start from 1, so 1 is less than equal to 5, so print the count. Plus 1 is going to 2, 2 is less than equal to 5, so print that. 3 is less than equal to 5, 4 is less than equal to 5, 5 is equal to 5, so we get 1 to 5. Okay, uh, let me show you something interesting. Okay, hacker vibe. You will get an hacker vibe here. um Suppose, okay, proper hacker vibe. Okay, password, password, password is equal to empty string. Okay, while password is not equal to sorry, uh, python, then okay, if okay, password is not equal to python, then we will take password as an input. Okay, you can take it as an input. Let's say enter password. Let me take it as chief. Please enter the password. Ch boss is the correct option. Boss, please enter the password, and then print says sorry, I am doing a lot of grammatical mistakes today, so please avoid that. So I skip that. Let's run the program. Sorry. Oh, enter the password, like password 1 2 3 4 5. Enter the password 3 4 5 6 5. Okay, enter the password until I print python. It will ask me, boss, please enter the password. Whenever I put the correct password, like python, it will show me access granted. Okay, this is a hacker vibe from my side. Okay, let me complete today's checklist. Okay, today now we will talk about break statement. Okay, let's talk about break statement. Let me comment out this. Okay, you guys will get the code, and then you guys can write it or test it. While true, sorry, number is equal to input. Okay, enter the number. Enter the number. Okay, that's enough. No need to fancy it. If number is equal to 0, then break, and break, and then print number. Can you guys guess what will happen? Whenever we use break statement, the loop terminated immediately. Okay, so the number is, if the number is 0, then it will be terminate immediately. Otherwise, 1, enter the number 2, enter the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whenever we enter 0, it terminating the break, terminating the loop, and get out from the loop. Okay, this is the basic use of break statement. uh, okay. 0, so it will show this, and then I will show you another while no, I use for loop in this case. For I in range 5, if I is equal to 2, then continue, and continue, and then print I. Let me tell you what the continue statement do. It use the current iteration. Okay, then whenever the if is equal to 2, it will be breakout and go to the next iteration. So 1 3 4. Okay, cause 5, I mean 0 to 0 to 4. If that I is equal to 2, then it's continue, I mean break the current, skip the current iteration and go to the further iterations. Okay, let's talk about another last iteration, because this video will over 30 minutes. I don't want to take any video up to 30 minutes otherwise your concentration will be breaked and you will skip the course. Okay, I is equal to 3, plus else print I. Okay, uh, what does pass statement do? It actually used as a placeholder where no action is required. Okay, if you guys don't understand the break statement, loop statement, while loop, do loop, if condition, nested if conditions, then when we will start building something, you will get it. And I will highly recommend you, whatever I show you in the lecture, please at least do the same thing on your VS Code. Okay, VS Code or whatever code editor you are using. uh, let's run this code and see what here you can see the last code we use pass statement. So it used as a placeholder when no action is required, so it skipped, and 0 1 3 0 1 2 4 is printed. uh, Now I will give you an course video overview from this video and last video. uh, I will try I will talk about now this video, otherwise you will be confused. There is a basic comparison between loop for loop versus while loop. Okay, the feature is I will divide this into three categories. Okay, first one is feature, second one is for loop category, third one is while loop category. Okay, in for loop, iteration is known, and in while loop, iteration is unknown. In for loop, condition is sequence based. In while loop, it's boolean based actually. In for loop, use case is list, range, and this type of things. And in while loop, the use cases is user input and conditions. Okay, these type of things, not the exact thing. This type of things. The common errors in loop: forget the indentations. Don't do this again. Okay, don't do. Focus on these things. The common errors in loops is the forgetting indentations, infinite loops, updating not updating loop variables, and wrong value range. Okay, so focus on these things when you are writing loop. Okay, I think you will understand at least 20% what I explained in this video. If you guys have any confusion, rewatch this video. If you still have any confusion, then write your confusion in the comment box. I will be explained there. Okay, thank you for today. We will meet in another new video. Bye bye.